In this video, we will learn how to cite newspaper and magazine articles from online sources using APA-style 7th edition. We'll learn how to cite articles found on public websites and how to cite articles from library databases. For articles from a news website that does not have an associated daily or weekly newspaper, like CBC or CTV, use the format for a web page on a news website instead. You can view this on Sheridan's APA Guide under Reference Examples, Web Pages. To cite an online news article, you will need the name or names of the author, the date of publication, including year, month, and day, the headline or title of the article, the title of the newspaper, the URL or permanent link. We'll start out the same way we do for most APA-style references, with the author information. Start with the last name of the author, followed by a comma, and the author's first initial and second initial if given. The next step is to add the date in round brackets. Write out the year, month, and day. Next, we'll add the headline or title of the article. After the title, write out the name of the newspaper using italicized text. To finish the reference, we'll add a URL. If you access the article on a public website, use the URL for the web page. If you found the article on a library database, use the permanent link given in the database record. Next, we'll look at online magazine articles. We'll need the name or names of the authors, the date of publication, the title of the article, the title of the magazine, the volume and issue number of the magazine that the article appeared in when this is available, the page range, and the DOI or URL. The process is pretty much the same as what we did for the newspaper article, with a few differences. We'll write out the author's name, the year, month, and day inside of round brackets, the title of the article, and the name of the magazine in italicized letters. Then write the volume and issue number. What does this mean? Volume and issue are ways of organizing magazine releases. Magazines publish several times per year. The volume and issue number refer to the specific release of the magazine that had the article inside it. Each volume is made up of a number of individual issues. Write the volume number using italic text, then write the issue number inside of round brackets using standard text. Do not put a space between the round brackets and the volume number. Then give the page range. If the volume, issue, and page range are not provided, you can simply leave it out and skip ahead to the URL step. Here is an example of a citation for an article that doesn't have volume, issue, or page numbers. For the last step, we'll add the DOI or URL for this article. For magazines, APA style prefers that you use the DOI when it's available. If the article does not have an assigned DOI, you may use the URL or a permanent link instead. What is a DOI? A DOI is a unique alphanumeric string that identifies content and provides a persistent link to its location on the internet. DOIs can be found in database records or the reference lists of published works. The article that we're citing does not have a DOI, so in this case, we'll use the URL. To create an in-text citation for a newspaper or magazine article, we'll follow the standard APA format. Inside of round brackets, put the name of the author, the year, and a page, paragraph number, or section heading. Online articles often don't have pages. You can instead direct the reader of your assignment to the right part of the article using paragraph numbers or section headings. If you need more citation help, you can chat with library staff online, email us at library@sheridancollege.ca, or book an appointment with a citation specialist or English tutor using TutorOcean.